in Bruges. Got the old bikes out. You got to check out my new bike. Just before we left, we went to a second-hand charity shop and I found this beautiful 1960s block bike, only 60 quid, and it really matches Jolie's. Have a quick beer or two. 2 beers later, riding through Bruges gets a lot more interesting. Whoa. Whoa. Jolie, where are we going? She doesn't know. Just don't get run over. What up? There's a dog there.
So Saul just missed the anthem of Belgium apparently, but I can reenact it for you right now. What are we doing? Watch my.
Stabbies don't get run over.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Done that. Right.
Tick tick.
And the new thing called a Flemish beef stew, which to me sounds Flemish and beef and stew.
Yeah.
I'm up for that, and that's what we're heading.
I'm up for waffles, maybe.
Beef stew and waffles.
Oh,
Maybe
yes.
not together on the same dish, but you know.
Dunno, a bit of waffle and a bit of beef flaps.
At least you've got a plan. We've got a very important decision to make.
Okay.
We found somewhere that there's beef stew and we found somewhere that there's waffles. The problem is they both close at 10 and it's now just gone 9. So we've only got time to do one.
It's actually.
Do we be a kid and go to the unicorn shop, which is behind us, that there's waffles, or do we be an adult and we go to the nice restaurant? Let's decide.
You know what my decision would be? Unicorn ice cream.
And that's why we're going to the restaurant.
Ice cream.
I'm going to get you a Devel.
So how was your dinner, Saul?
Yeah, absolutely booming. Flemish beef stew, you never had it, go out and get yourself a Flemish beef stew.
Like a bit of beef?
It's really nice. It's like an English stew, but like almost like mixed with a peppercorn sauce.
It's like a proper gravy, isn't it? It was good.
Gravy. I think I could make a good one now. I think maybe even better.
Better than gravy? That is a bold statement.
I think it just needed some like proper more English winter vegetables like parsnips and swede in it.
Yeah.
The actual sauce with that, it was like a peppercorn gravy sauce. It was good. It was good. I'm really impressed with this restaurant. You have to check this decor out. You and your big cock.
Maybe.
It's a beautiful meal, yeah?
There's no unicorn ice cream open. There's no waffles open.
but the stew was
I just don't know what to say anymore, Saul. I don't know who you are. Who am I? Who am I? I've got no unicorn ice cream, no waffles. The meal was very nice. The meal was very nice. But unicorn ice cream.
We'll see if we can find a Waffle House on the way home. But it has to be said, Bruges, definitely worth a visit.
We're gonna get chocolate for breakfast tomorrow.
For you, I would if you told me I'd die to you.
Big jam coming up.
I can communicate with them. More. More. More.
What farm?
He's got a unicorn. That's a unicorn cow.
How do you know?
Because look, they've chopped off his horn.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a unicorn cow. Hello, unicorn cow.
I look very sure of you.
I'm gonna get a wave from the farmer.
No, you're not.
So yesterday we left Bruges. Didn't really do much yesterday. We just drove to this beautiful spot and got on with some work. And it was probably one of the best places to situate your office if you have a chance. Today we're gonna just have a morning coffee with this cracking view. Then we're gonna carry on the road to Dinant. Probably have to sort our tanks out today. But first, I might try and do a little morning flag off one of these posts. I bet you'll make a great picture.
Where are we off to, Saul?
Got my new drone. Pretty excited about this. Said if we're going to do a travel vlog, we've got to get a drone so we can get some action shots.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're going to go and test it out and see what this bad boy can do.
Have you ever flown a drone before?
No, but I've got a good one, so it should be alright.
I'm filming, Saul, but I can't see it. Where is it? Saul? 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 What the hell's going on? Saul, where is it? I bet he's bloody lost it. I bet he's lost it.
Stop filming, stop.
What? Have you lost it? Have you lost it? Oh my god! It just didn't come back. Saul. Oh, Saul. Is it gone? So the drone went somewhere over the lake. Saul just went to go and have a little look if he could see it, and we said we meet back here, and he's on his way back, and it looks like he might be empty-handed. How did the air search go, Saul? He's an angry man. Personally, I think it's absolutely hilarious. I just can't stop laughing, I'm so sorry. We've driven around 1.5 hours to a place called Dinant, which looks so beautiful already. Can you see those cliffs? Amazing. And as you can see, Saul's just getting the bikes ready. We're going to go bike into town. The roads around here are really, really small, so we're not going to risk driving the van. Yeah, so we're going to bike into town, have a look round, maybe grab a coffee, and of course we're taking you guys with us.
Everyone loves a bike selfie. Riding into town. How's it going, Jolie? Flipping out, we would not want to come off here because I'd end up in the river. That would be pretty horrific. Look at this. Pretty nice. Hey, how's it going? Locals loving it, loving it. Jolie holding up the rear. Here comes Jolie. How's it going, babe? Coming into town now. I tell you what, it is pretty. I have been here before, but I forgot how pretty it is. Take a look at this. So we were going to walk up to the Citadel, but unfortunately it's closed, so beer? Beer?
Sorry. Beer?
Beer?
Beer could be an option.
So we're in Dinant, got our beers. Cheers. Drink. The Germans believe if you don't drink after you cheers, you get 7 years bad sex.
Cheers.
What?
In the eye. There we go. We're safe.
We're safe. After a walk around the church, we decided to take up our offer of giving ourselves a nice beer. We're just going to chill for the rest of today, and then tomorrow we're going to get up, do a bit of climbing. See you tomorrow, guys. We're just at the top of the climbing crag, and I'm in luck. There is a beautiful local toilet. Check this out. Everybody loves the toilet selfie. Has to be said, the smells. Oh, beautiful. Pretty high class, this toilet, even comes with its own poo knife. Morning poo out the way. We was walking down to the crag. Jolie opted not to use the toilet.
No.
Don't know why. Toilet, it's had its own poo knife. It's going in the edit. Oh, climbing shoes. I don't know why people don't just wear them. They're big dirty shoes. Yeah, they're really comfortable.
Mm.
They're pretty much just like slippers.
Is one ready?
One is ready. Let's get to the top.
Let's go. So it's pretty hard to get footage of climbing when you're actually holding the rope. So here's Saul after his climb. Hello.
Yeah, we just hung a rope up there and I'll just take my shoes on and off and look cool.
Yeah, we didn't actually climb anything. just pretenders.
Okay, so that's the end of this video.
It's drifting off.
It's drifting off, where's it going?
I can't take it. That's rubbish.
It's like,
This is like a drone all over.
yeah, it is. It's like, looking at it over there. What's it doing? What's it doing?
You shouldn't actually be allowed with technology.
So guys, that's the end of our Belgium vlog.
Something like that.
Something
One
like
of
that.
those.
Something like, it's the end. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching.
Make sure you go and check us out on Instagram with the .cashmores, and if you leave us a comment, we'll follow you back as well.
So next video, we're going to be travelling through Luxembourg. We're also going to be travelling through Germany and into Switzerland. So we've already done it, but we'll be editing it ready for you in our next video. Also, it's worth noting, if anyone does know of a drone that does actually come back, please comment below, because we are once again looking for a drone. And don't tell me a bebop, because I've had one and it did not work.
Or if anyone wants to sponsor us, you know, just send us one to test. See if it's Saul proof.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.